We do not check to be sure all the nozzle white color varnish or print out with perfect. Then we start to do the head calibration. Because we install print head white color varnish, we must be sure all the print head is straight, not like this, or forward, backward, bending like this. So you must print some test print to check if the print head is installed where with good position. We can have a good node check print. Then we can start to do the alignments for the print head. So we go to the software and be sure it's connected with the printer with green icon. And then we go to adjust. And we go to head install, choose head install. And we go to choose the vertical check print. We click print. Here we can put 20 and we can click off the white margin. And then we go to print. So we can see some lines print out. CMYK, KCMYLCOM, and also have white and varnish and white at each position. So we must be sure what we want to do. What we need to do is we must be sure the white or the nodes. For example, we take the black channels to see the first print is on the top. This is the first print, and then this is the second print. We must be sure the first print and second print connect with one line like this straight line. If printed by this way, for example, if it printed by this way, this is the first print, and second print by this way, that the second print goes to red. So we need to adjust the color print head to red a little bit to move the carriage, move the print head by a screwdriver, loosen the print head, and load the print head a little bit by this way. And also, if you print out the second print close to left side, so we need to move to left a little bit. So this is the vertical calibration for each print head. And also we can see the nozzle for white and for varnish. And must be sure all are printed with selected line, no close. So you can adjust screw, loosen screw, and also we can adjust we push down the emergency button, we moved the carriage to out of home position. We can see so we need to loosen this. We need to not loosen the print head, but loosen the print head adapter board. This one, loosen the screw 1, 2, and 3, 4. This one and this one. For example, right now, the color is perfect, so we need to adjust. But for if it's moved to wrong position, we need to adjust. We loosen this one, not print head screw, but print head adapter board. This one. Loosen the screw, and this screw. And backside, the aluminum pallet. And then this one. Then we move the pallet a little bit laterally. And also, we will give you a screw here. We can use the screw to make the close. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4 screw to adjust each print head, make the vertical. And then test again to be sure the lines straight for each print head. So this is a calibration for print head. Okay, then we print the vertical calibration again to check. Go to software, test, vertical calibration. And open the UV lamp. So we can see the print result here. We can see that the first print and second print. We can see the second print here is move overlap to left, not straight lines. Here, overlap. We can enlarge and see. You see here, like this. Like this. So this, not straight line. So this, no good calibration. Because the second print moved to left. So if by this way, print moved to left, by this kind of calibration result, we need to move the print head to left. By this way, rotary. So we just push down the. We just need to move the carriage. I press the button. Move to left. And move the carriage to middle. And we start to calibrate the print head. We can see there are some screws locked. For each print head. 1, 2, 3 for adjust the calibration, vertical calibration. Before we adjust this screw print head, we need to loosen the 4 screw to lock the print head. It's not loosen the print head, but loosen the print head adapter board. The 2 screw. And because it's moved to left, so we must load it to left. So we must move by this way. So we just loosen it, and we pull this to front a little bit, and push this back. Push a little bit, and then we print again. We press X home, and we go to test. We click off the wire margin and test vertical calibration. Okay, so we can see now it's moved to right. It's moved to right too much. Before here it's to left, but now it's moved to right. We can see here it's moved to right too much. So that means we adjust too much. We need to adjust it back a little bit. With the same way to press to left, move the catch out of our position, and then we adjust this. A little bit. Then print again. So now it's become closer. Almost jacked. You can see the first print, third print almost jacked, but only have a little bit, maybe 2 pieces move to left. So need to adjust a little bit again. After we adjust, we place X home and test vertical calibration print. Okay, now it's perfect. We can see all the node is stacked. First print K, C, and Y here. This is the before print before. So we can see the lines. Now, first print, second print, stacked as a straight line. So this is good. And we can see here, this is first print. It's close. It's overlap. So this is not good print head position installation. So this is good. So please trust must be shown. This is the best result for calibration for print head. If you get this result for each print head, KCM1, LCM, and also do the same way to align print head for white and varnish. So this is the basic requirement to print a good coloured picture before you do other alignments. So hope everybody can do same job as must be shown from Focus.